Welcome to our video on the top 5 apps for time management. In today's fast-paced world, managing our time effectively can be a real challenge. But, fortunately, technology has made it easier than ever to stay on top of our busy lives. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 apps for time management, and how they can help you in your daily life. Body. Trello. Let's say you're planning a vacation with your family. You have to book flights, hotels, plan activities, and make sure everyone is on the same page. This is where Trello comes in handy. You can create a board for your vacation and add tasks for each member of the family. You can also add due dates and attach files to each task. This way, everyone knows what they have to do and when, and you can keep track of the progress. This helps you save time and avoid confusion. Rescue time. Imagine you're working on an important project, but you keep getting distracted by social media or email notifications. This is where rescue time can help. It tracks how much time you spend on different websites and apps, and provides you with a detailed report. You can see where you're spending most of your time and make adjustments accordingly. You can also set goals and alerts to help you stay focused. This helps you increase productivity and get things done faster. Forest. Let's say you're studying for an exam, but you keep getting distracted by your phone. This is where Forest comes in handy. You can set a timer for how long you want to study, and plant a virtual tree. If you exit the app before the timer is up, your tree dies. But if you stay focused and complete your task, your tree grows. This provides you with a fun and motivational way to stay focused and avoid distractions. Focus at will. Imagine you're working on a project that requires a lot of focus and concentration, but you can't seem to get into the zone. This is where Focus at Will can help. It provides background music that's been specifically engineered to
enhance concentration. You can choose from a variety of music genres and even take a quiz to determine which type of music works best for you. This helps you get into the zone and stay productive. Google Calendar. Let's say you have a busy schedule, with meetings, appointments, and deadlines. This is where Google Calendar comes in handy. You can schedule events, set reminders, and share your calendar with others. You can also integrate your calendar with other apps, like Trello or Rescue Time, to keep everything in one place. This helps you stay organized and avoid double booking or missing important deadlines. Conclusion. That's it for our top 5 apps for time management. Whether you're planning a vacation, working on a project, studying for an exam, or managing a busy schedule, these apps can help you save time, increase productivity, and stay focused. So go ahead and give them a try. You'll be amazed at how much they can help you in your daily life.